Today we're fishing at Rocky Mountain PFA in North Georgia. It's early fall right now. The bass are just transitioning from deep water up into more shallow, and it's really hard to catch them right now because they're really focused on little shad, bait schools everywhere, and they're just scattered. I got sent some lures by Sweevy Tackle. I'm going to be testing those out today. Right now I'm using a all blue Joker 70 golden shad. It's just a little lipless crankbait. It looks really good. What? Okay. I got one dead. He's huge. I already got one. I got him. What a bitty bass. What a bitty guy. On the all blue thing. Got one. On the Sweevy lure. Oh, what is that? What on earth? Walleye there. Oh yeah, I got that on video. That's happy.